हाय फ्रेंड्स। जो ये आज का वीडियो है, दिस इज़ टू लेट यू नो दैट व्हाट ऑल प्रिकॉशंस Tangles is going to take once we open up post lockdown, and how what all we are doing to make you as safe as possible. So let me take you on a journey when you come inside Tangles specifically. What is it that you are going to see and experience actually, right? And इसमें मैं दो चीज़ें आपको क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ. First, that you'll have to call and take an appointment because it's strictly going to be on appointment basis. We will not be allowing any walk-ins. Again, that is for the safety of all of us. Second thing is that we request you to have your masks on when you come for your services, because again that is a mandatory requirement and that is very much required for all of us to have a safe environment, right? So now let's go inside and see what is it exactly going to happen when you visit any of the Tangles salon, right? Keep watching. Once you're inside the salon, you'll be warmly greeted by the manager at the reception, wearing mask and disposable gloves. She'll take your body temperature with an infrared thermometer and give you hand sanitizer to use. You'll be politely asked to wear mask if you're not wearing one. Now if your temperature is normal, you'll be then taken for the service you are there for. The staff attending you will be wearing mask, gloves, eye goggles or face shield and disposable apron, and he or she will use sanitizer before attending you. You notice that all the equipments or tools being used on you are either disposable or have been properly sanitized and disinfected. You'll see us using disposable gowns, towels, linen, headband, aprons, gloves, capes, napkins or whatever else is possible. You look around and see there are no more than 4 clients inside the salon, and that too at much more a distance than the required 6 feet for social distancing. You notice a client leave whose services just got over, and right after that the chair they were sitting on, the workstation, trolley, tools, etc., everything is being sanitized and disinfected by Tangles staff. Meanwhile, you can smell the camphor being burnt in the oil lamps around you, and you are feeling amazing. Now you see a hairdresser cleaning clippers with 70% alcohol. All the combs and brushes and various other tools are being rinsed in shampooed water, dried with clean disposable cloth and put inside the sterilizer. Side by side, salon floor is being mopped with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. All high contact surfaces are being cleaned with a disinfectant. All metallic surfaces are being wiped with 70% alcohol solution. You have brought your own water bottle, as you know that Tangles is not offering any beverages right now, again to keep you safe. So now that your service is over, you see that the therapist puts all the disposable stuff in the nearby dustbin. You look yourself in the mirror, pleased with what you see, make the payment at the counter and leave. So I'm sure that by now you have got a very fair idea of what all we are going to do at Tangles and how seriously we take everybody's safety over there, right? And I'm sure आप लोगों को एक पीस ऑफ माइंड मिला होगा ये सब चीज़ें जान के जो हम करने जा रहे हैं. एंड बिलीव यू मी, विल बी डूइंग आवर लेवल बेस्ट to make you as safe as possible, and we won't be compromising on anything I'm saying. So we'll be using the best of the best things, and all the processes would be followed and everything would be in place to make you feel as safe as possible, right? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.